Okay. So our first lesson, why do we have to learn if we're prince and princesses? You still need to learn. I know, right? Why can't we learn my palace? Because this is a greater environment for science. Oh, wow. So now we're going to be learning science, I'm guessing, right? Yes, right. Do you know what science is? A subject in which you learn in school. I think. No, sir. Science is everything. You can be a fairy or a king. Science is every part of the world. The world spins. Oh, that's enough. Oh. Granny, you're short. Okay, let's get back to science. Science is everything, now that I know. And there's earth science. And science is comes from the Latin word scientia. That is right, but you just said you know nothing about science. I lied. All right, let me teach. Science is a sister of acquiring excuse me, knowledge. And knowledge is very important when you guys' age. You guys are like high school students, right? And we're learning 6th grade math. You guys haven't gone to school your whole life. So, okay, let's get back. The term science also refers to the organized body of knowledge. So it's just everything. Your science, James' science, everyone's science. My wings are tired. So, who can review right now? Well, science is everything. It's a system of acquiring knowledge. It explains things around us, like in other words, in science terms, you know. And it comes from the Latin word. Oh, I know. Scientia. Let me sit down too. I'm glad we're getting comfortable. Next is different things of science. There's earth science. There is biology. There's chemistry and physics. Then there's lots of sections in those. But those are the main parts. And then there's little sections in each one. So, there's also things that are like qualitative and quantitative observations. So, like a qualitative is like what you see, and a quantitative is like kind of a guess, but like no way to prove it. So, I don't know what other way to explain it. And, oh, you get some mascara in your eye. For example, look at your kingdom over here. Whoa. How'd you do that? I'm a fairy godmother. I can do anything. Yes, that's right, she can. Okay, so you see all those flags? They're most probably made from some sort of, like, what's it called? String. And string is some string, probably that one, since we're in the mid-1800s. It was probably made from, like, I don't know, some sort of plant. So that might be science. There's no way to find out because they were made a long time ago, though. Oh, I get it. So, we live in science? Exactly right, James. Exactly right. Woohoo! Yay! Over here is a dragon's cave. And, why are we here? Here is fire. And there's different heats in the atmosphere. And the atmosphere is everything. I mean, yeah, the atmosphere is like where we live, but there's so many things about that, like in front of that. So, in the atmosphere, there's lots of layers. There's the exosphere, the thermosphere, the mesosphere, the stratosphere, and the troposphere. 78% of the atmosphere is nitrogen, 20% of it is oxygen, and 1% are traces of gas. Our current lifestyles are changing the atmosphere. Our pollution, which is not very much in the 1800s, is causing a large increase in the CO2 in our atmosphere. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere. By the way, I just said them, so yeah, that's 5. There's the exosphere. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. The air is very thin here, and atoms and molecules escape into space. This is where rockets and spaceships fly, most of the time. The thermosphere is a layer of the atmosphere which is first exposed to the sun's radiation and is so first heated by the sun. The hottest layer, and the air is very thin. The satellites travel there. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I mean, like, I never knew that there was so much in our world that we didn't know. See? See what learning can do? Doop. Let's get out of this dragon.